Now to begin with, I'll quickly get on with what actually what it actually is made from. So the backend we are using Fast API. Then for storage we are using MongoDB. For storage like documentation and PDFs, we are using B2 Blaze. Both Mongo and this are hosted. Free tiers are used. For front end we are using White plus TypeScript. We are also using chart.js for front end. Now to actually what matters, the product. Okay, so this is basically three pillars: environment, sustainability, and governance. To begin with, our strongest pillar, environment. So we give everyone a basic dashboard to make sure that they can ask questions. We have a very low level but usable assistant that will ask you let you ask follow-up questions. You can generate reports and export data. So it will give you a high level information like what is going on, what is my carbon credit, etc. Now to go with, based on what location you are, like since let's say you are a location based in Pune, so we calculate like just your static, what is your emissions, like electricity consumption, your employee commutes. We use a lot of factors like what city it is based in to get idea of what is distribution of EVs, etc. So based on that we calculate what is carbon emissions for say a city like Pune to let's say a city like Delhi where EV penetration might not match. Then what we do is we have a lot of carbon verification options. Let's say you are a manufacturer of final level solar panels, so you can, based on where you manufacturing, you outsource a certain products, right? Let's say you outsource iron through this particular factory. So based on what location it is set up in, what is the power intake source, etc., we calculate what is the emission, right? Again, let's say if your supplier already is connected to us, then we can directly join them, so you can get live update of this carbon emission instead of having to manually adjust it, right? So since we are lacking on time, I'll quickly get through every single one. We let you calculate product footprints. As I mentioned, a subcomponent is manufactured in other section, we let it calculate in joined in one section. You can also use manufacturing like for your own, let's say you are manufacturing, you are importing steel from one place and manufacturing a section on your own. We let you calculate that as well. We can let you set goals as to what your environment should be. You can participate in certain good impact projects and make sure that they are well funded and well reached. You can also set internal diversity goals for DEI to hire from inside more. We have ESG options to make sure that you support every right initiatives and so on. I'll just quickly walk through every single one. This makes sure that the initiative you make are publicly known to your employees and your stakeholders, so that everyone can know like, yeah, this is done well, this is made for employee, this makes us accountable. It is shareable, it lets you track your progress, what have you done, what have you reached, right? You can export the data through PDF, Excel, etc. like what is what doing. We have gamification center, so based on what you are doing, what you are earning, you can pick rewards based by higher management to what is working, and so that they can reward people who are working actively towards it. We have options to add multiple locations in estate departments, etc., so that we can make sure that even a large level company is safely able to add this. So yes, we have a lot more options, like we have location based on this, etc., but we lack time, that's why I have to cut it here. I hope it was helpful. Thank you.